Okay, New York session done. Took one trade on NAS. NAS on the daily, we have bullish directional bias. We have the momentum time frame trigger that previous month high, currently in bullish breakout, and we have market expansion. Setup time frame has a bullish breakout bar. Momentum time frame also has bullish breakout bar. So I know market's expanding, and we have a setup here. This star icon is my trend retracement setup. In a trend retracement setup, this one right here, I want to see hard time frame traders push the market in one direction. Indicator lets me know we have bullish bias, and then I want to see a bullish breakout bar on the daily, which we have. Then I like to see on a lower time frame price retrace back to that breakout level, fake out the momentum time frame, and then take it back up to at least that high and possibly even further than that. So trend retracement setups, I trade on the bar itself, execution time frame right there at the bottom. I trade the daily bar on the M15. So once I saw this coming into the session, I had a look at NAS and I saw that we have a daily breakout bar and we have a narrow breakout range. Here's a daily breakout level. Here's a previous day high. And then coming into the session, I saw that we were consolidating in between those two levels with a narrow breakout range. So when we have that, I'm no longer looking for a trend retracement setup. I'm looking for a trend breakout setup. Trend breakout setups, I want to see narrow breakout range, which we have. It's a very narrow breakout range. And then I like to see consolidation between two levels. So price was stuck between these two levels. And so the setup for me is consolidation, and right before it breaks out, has to come down and take out all of that consolidation. I usually will fake out the momentum time frame, and then I'm looking for a breakout at the top. So that's exactly what happened here coming into the session. 8 o'clock, started the new H8 bar. There was news at 9, so I did not want to get involved until 9. Right at 9, price came down and triggered the H8 low. M15 is bearish, and if I have a bullish bias but the M15 is bearish, then I'm looking to trade momentum. Right there at the bottom, execution time frame, I trade the M15 momentum on the M1. So once it triggers the H8 low momentum time frame, I drop down to the M1, and I'm looking for a buy. So trigger the H8 low, then I see that we have ranges here. All that consolidation gets taken out, and we fake out one side of the range. When you fake out one side of the range, I expect price to get up to the other side. So 9 o'clock was news. Price dropped down and was waiting for the fake out at that range. So price faked out that range, and then once it got above the M15 breakout level, this is a false breakout move, and getting above the high below that breakout level, this is a counter trend breakout. The small little moves, counter trend breakout, and getting above that is a false breakout. So I took this trade right over here, stop loss at the lows, right at the low of the day. This is exactly the best possible place to put that stop loss. And so now I'm holding on to this, hoping for a breakout. There's no guarantee there's going to be a breakout, but if there is going to be a breakout, I have the best possible stop loss to stay in this trade. Market just seems to be continuing up. We're breaking out, trend breakout on the 3 months, trend breakout on the monthly. This seems to be, in my opinion, a candidate to hold for a longer term. So we're at all-time highs here, and if it comes down, I'm just going to hold on to it. I'm not going to get out of this. I'm at the absolute low of the day, right below previous week high. If this is going to go, this is the best place to have that stop loss. So going to leave this overnight, and I'll see where it is tomorrow. But that's it, done here. If you don't like to hold overnight, then this would be the exit, 1.2R. But because of the daily, because we're faking out the lows and above previous week high, I'm going to attempt to hold this for that breakout. And that's it. Okay, Asia session. Left this running overnight, still at the best possible stop loss placement for this. Got in right at the low of the day, and I'm just going to let this run. Going to take it out before the weekend. Not going to hold it over the weekend, but hoping to see a breakout over here. It does have that consolidation that I'm looking for, slowly building up. Never know what's going to happen, but yeah, just going to hold this throughout the day and look for something else. And that's it.